press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
In an exclusive interview with Spotboy, Vidya Balan confirmed that Sabyasachi Mukherjee, who once used to be her go-to designer, is no longer a part of her life. Stay tuned for all the details. 4 years ago, when Vidya Balan walked the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival as part of an illustrious jury, she made India proud. However, her choice of outfits at the prestigious event invited severe backlash, with a few critics terming them as drab, boring, aging, and matronly, among others. The designer behind the outfits, Sabyasachi Mukherjee, defended the creations and asserted, "Vidya doesn't like to experiment much. She's happy the way she is, and there is no harm in that." Post the international event, Vidya went missing from the designer's fashion weeks and moved on from exclusively wearing Sabyasachi's regal outfits to traditional Kanjivaram saris. It seemed that all was not well between the two. Spotboy caught up with the actress during the promotions of her upcoming film Begum Jaan, and the actress confirmed for the first time that Sabyasachi is no longer a part of her wardrobe.
I still think Sabya is one of the most talented designers in the country. I've worn him a lot, but post Cannes, I think we had, I don't know if I can call it a fallout, but we've not been in touch. And not like there's anything happened, it's just, I think it's unfortunate.
Vidya also addressed the criticism that came her way during that time and maintained that she has come a long way since then, and with time she has come to accept her body type.
We've spoken often when I was going through that time when I was being criticized, but that's a while ago. I think with time, my the acceptance of my own body and therefore the confidence that comes with it has only been growing. You know, so yeah.
One day decided I care it.
Not one day decided, it was a slow process. But I think this was before Ishqiya and Pa and all happened. It started happening around that time, and slowly I'm growing more and more in my body confidence.
From her reaction, it's palpable that she still holds Sabyasachi in high regard, and seems like post Cannes, the two weren't on the same page, and hence the professional split was inevitable. As of now, Vidya can be seen donning Dolly J, Anjali Jani and Second Skin, among others, and boy, she is looking good.